What's going on, everybody? Welcome to your 30th Android tutorial for the new Boston. We're going to learn how to set text a certain color, and then probably we're going to be done with this application after the next tutorial, where I'm going to show you guys about random. And so what we're going to do is set up just kind of the bracket for the next tutorial. So again, we're just going to say else if. We're probably going to learn about setting text in this tutorial as well, even though you guys already know that. I believe so. We're going to call this one else if WTF, all uppercase, and that stands for where's the fridge. So we're going to create if the text equals where the fridge, one last little thing here. So now what we can do also is every time this button's clicked, we can say display, which is our text view, dot set text. And what we're going to do is set this equal to whatever the input is. So we're going to say check. And then it's going to, just set the text real quickly and then check if it's left, right, center, blue, or WTF, where's the fridge at. So what we can do is if it's none of those, we can just say else if as well. Or we're just going to say else because this will be everything else if it's none of those options. So we're going to say else, and then we can say display dot set text to invalid again. And also we're going to just change this back to kind of the starting point. So we're going to say display dot set gravity to center. So again, we refer to the gravity class and then type center. And that's about it. We can change the text back just to get it kind of default where it started at. But now what we're going to do is we're just going to change the color of the text when it's when someone types blue in lowercase. So we're going to say display. And I mean, pretty much all this is getting kind of familiar, and you guys can kind of look through these methods and figure out for the most part what they do, at least these set, because we can set some of these things up, and that's what we've pretty much used is set gravity, and this one's going to be set text. We've used set text as well, but this one's going to be set text color, and we're going to give it the color blue. And again, we can refer to the color class just like we did with the set gravity, and we refer to the gravity class. We're going to refer to a class called color and just kind of scroll through some of the options. As you can see, you can put the alpha, which is transparency, red, green, blue, and an integer for the most part, and just RGB as well. Or you can just use some of these colors they have set up for you as well. So we're going to just use this blue that they have set up. And there we go. Pretty much our application's done. What we're going to do in the next tutorial is basically finish our application, because I don't want to do a ton of else if statements and show you guys simple stuff for the most part. I just wanted to show you guys the random method in Java, because if you're creating a game or something that has a dice, and you probably want to use the random, so it's random each time. We're going to kind of go through that with this what the fridge. So I'll catch you guys then. So where's the fridge? Sorry, not what the fridge. What am I saying? That makes no sense. Alright, well, I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. See ya.